Hello Internet, and welcome to this quick video on finding the area of a circle, perfect for GCSE Maths. Here is an example of a question, where we are given the radius and asked to find the area of the circle. To do this, we use this simple formula which states that a equals pi r squared. Now, that means that the area equals pi times radius squared. We can use the pi symbol on our calculator, and to access this we're going to hit shift and then hit the button which is times 10 to the power of x. You will find this just to the left of the equals button. Or in a non-calculator test we take pi to be 3.14, or we just leave the answer in terms of pi. You'll see what I mean in a sec. Now, all we have to do now is substitute our values in. So we can say that a equals pi times 5 squared. You'll notice that 5 squared is in brackets, and please make sure you do this in your calculator, as the only part you want to square is the 5, not the entire formula. So make sure it is only the radius you are squaring, and to do this we assure this with brackets. So we can now say that a equals 25 times pi, or a equals 25 pi, and at a non-calculator test this is probably where you'd leave it, though sometimes you might be asked to times this by 3.14 to give a numerical value. However, for calculator, we're going to leave this in our calculator and simply find an answer of 78.54 centimeters squared to 2 decimal places. And that's it, that's the area in there. Now, let's take a look at another example. Here you'll notice that this time we are not given a radius, we are given a diameter. And all we need to do now is halve this diameter, as we know that a radius is half of a diameter. Therefore, just substituting our values into this, we can say that our radius is half of 12, therefore our radius here is 6. And from here we now have our radius, so we have everything we need to find the area in our circle. So using our formula a equals pi r squared, we can simply substitute our values in and say pi times 6 squared is going to be our area, remembering to put brackets around 6 squared so that we don't square the entire thing. And then we can say that a equals pi times 36, or 36 pi, which is probably where you'll leave it in your non-calculator test, or an exact numerical value of 113.1 centimeters squared to 2 decimal places. And that's it. It's really that simple.